I think what this place needs is a bit of leisure battery powered low watt red LEDs there, because the current lighting system I've got there and there just runs on batteries. So as I've got the switchboard all wired up, why not connect maybe that switch to some holes there? Put 5 holes there, 5 red LEDs, bang. Back when I visited subscriber Earl Grey, he knocked up this circuit of 5 2.5 volt red LED projectors. Let's get the ensuite bathroom, ski jacket, toilet bag and pillow out of the way. Right, there we go. Yeah, after starting the job, don't like the idea of splinters on my bed, so I'm going to get the lid of that food tray out. I haven't even done my sandals up yet. Shockingly lazy. Where was I? Yes. Drilling holes. Better take my super professional crossbeam out so I can get behind the board there. Now, you millenniums have a very short attention span, so let's just do it Peter Sriepel style. Just like that. Yeah, sorry it took me 2.5 months to get round to this mark, but yeah, let's do this. Right, how's this gonna work? Let's find the live wire first. So the way I arranged it is one of these is always on, one of these is the middle switch, and one of these is the right switch. So, of course, being the consummate professional that I am, I didn't label up which switch was which. Reckon that's the always live one, that's why I taped it up. Better switch it on first. Number 2. See if I can find a little test LED bulb. Yes. A reverse polarity. Oh yeah. Okay, so we do have 12 volts potential across these wires. Nominal. Yes, getting a bite there. If I'm going to have all these live wires exposed, I might as well tape them up in my super organised car / 12 volt tray. Use the masking tape for that, of course. Not that. I did get considerable sawdust on my pillow. I'm glad that I put that food tray there, caught an awful lot. Right, back to the main event of twisting wires around and taping them up. Well, that was damned professional. Cover them up with tape, like that. World, my finger is on the button. Push the button. What have we got? Yes! Right, can I get my hand down the back of this panel without getting splinters to grab the wire? Not in my ski jacket, I can't. So, instead of pushing my meaty forearm through, clad in a ski jacket, why not just shove this bit of beading through, tape the wire to the end, pull it back? How hard can it be? Not hard at all. Right, just put a wire there, tape it there, and we're golden. pulling through. Slowly. Slowly, no snaggingtons. Ooh. Ooh. It's intense. Ooh. What was I worried about? Okay. Connections. Red to red, black to black. And do this while the switch is off. And if you think you don't have the ability or courage or can't be asked to take on a job like this, just remember, it's not about perfectionism. Don't let the perfect be the enemy of the good. Yes. One last little test to make sure it works. Yes. Dave, just what do you think you're doing, Dave? I can feel my mind going, Dave. Yes, just pop it into the little hole. That's what she said. Yes. Let's do my best to pick some of these splinters out of the bed without getting them stuck in my fingers or up my thumbnails. Oh no! Look, this loose stitching on my jacket is stuck to my glasses. Oh no! And now for the money shot. I'm not seeing anything here. Not seeing anything. Oh yes! Oh, that's dodgy as fuck. Yes. So it's like, you see, it's like touch control. See, you can on, off. See? Oh, that's super swish, that is. Pay a fortune to have that done professionally. And here's how it looks.